Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year's to you guys. I'm gonna do a brake change on a Ram Promaster City. So first thing you want to take off the wheels gonna be 17 millimeter. So first I gotta take out the lugs. Gonna be 17 millimeter. Somebody destroyed one of the lugs, as you can see right here. When they were putting on their tire or something, it got destroyed. So now let's go on from there. Remove the tire. Time to lift off the tire. Alright, so the tire is off. Now you want to get like a flathead screwdriver. Push this back like that to take it out because it hook under here. Alright, see if I can do it with one hand. See it come out like that. Get under here and it will come off like that. Do the same thing to down here. Bring it back a little bit and bring it out. Alright, got it off. So now you gotta pull these caps back here. This give you access to the Allen key bolt style that's back there. Alright, you want to unplug the brake sensor, brake pad sensor, and take this out from here.
Yes.
You just need to remove this right here.
Yes.
You got a little gap right here. Let's take that out. And you also want to retract the brake pad, the piston. Alright, so that's what I did. Put a C-clamp on it and squeeze this in. And what that do is squeezing the caliper. So now you just gotta take it off. So wind it the opposite way. Take it off. As you see, it's still out a little bit. So when I take this off, when I take off the caliper, I need to squeeze this in some more. I'm going to show you how I do that. Alright, so now it's time to get your Allen key. I was looking for an Allen key to fit it, which I didn't find any, but a T50 or T45 cord will do the job just fine. Alright, you got it in there, got it loose, got it at the top, got it loose also. Alright, so this is what it looked like. Took off from here. Now it's time to take off the caliper, and you can just bring it up here, and squeeze in the caliper. Alright. Alright, as you can see, that's how I have it up. And I turn here, and the pad's gonna go in some more. I wish I could show you with my two hand, but I break my camera stand, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. Alright. but you will see there's a big difference. The pads went in some more. Alright, now it's time to remove these torque. I don't have a torque socket to fit this, but you can use a 13 socket or a half-inch socket. Alright, make sure it's strong and it's impact. Alright. Alright, so got it off like that. I'm gonna clean here, clean right here. You need to take out this tool to get the rotors off. So as you can see, this is really good. And the pads is right here. Pads right here. It's metal to metal. And to take this off, it's going to be 12 millimeter. Alright, so I take it out a little bit. I'm going to get a hammer and I'm going to knock right here to get the rotor to come loose. This is not that rusty where it seized, so you might need to spray WD-40 around here, but I don't need to. Alright, take this out, take this off. That's how you take out your rotor. Alright, so I install my new rotor. And I put this back in. Now it's time to clean this up. Alright, so this is your new pad right here. Just put it on like that. The other one goes clip into the caliper, so you need to push on this to get it out. Push on one side. It will come out. Alright, so this you need to peel off the sticker right here, the blue sticker. Alright, and then you want to run your wire through here, run your wire through there, and then put this back in here. Alright. Alright, so I got this in, new pads in, run this back right here. Alright, that's good. Lock this into place right here. Alright, that's good. You want to bring this down and hook it up. Like this. Good. You can go ahead and plug this in. Alright, that's plugged in. It's nice and tight. So we want to get the sliders and grease them up. Alright? Install them. And these are the sliders right here. So you want to get grease on them and run them inside. Alright? Alright, so that's good. You can see a little bit of grease coming out down here. And, that's it. You want to put a little bit more grease in the cap and then install it. Alright? Alright, so I'll put a little bit more grease in the cap and push the cap in. Same thing for this one. Alright, so to install this, you need to put this right there, bring that in right there, and bring this over and down. Alright, that's how you install that right there. Now it's time to go in and pump up your brakes, but double check your work. I know a lot of people are gonna say I should put grease here, but that don't make no sense, because when you put grease there, you're gonna get stuck with a lot of dirt, because grease attracts dirt and that's not good. So leave it just like that. You'll be alright. You want to put on your tires and pump the brakes up. Alright, so the tires is on. Time to pump the brakes up. So I'm just gonna pump the brakes up a little bit. Alright. I got pedal. Crank the car up. And that's it, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. See you next time.